അതിൻ്റെ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് പ്രൂഫ് നോക്കട്ടോ. ഫിഫ്ത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രൂഫ്. സപ്പോസ് n has no odd prime factor. n has no odd prime factor. Then n equal to 2 raised to alpha. n equal to 2 raised to alpha multiple of 2. We know that by the above property phi of p raised to alpha equal to p raised to alpha minus p raised to alpha minus 1. Here phi of n that equal to phi of 2 raised to alpha, phi of n that equal to phi of 2 raised to alpha, that equal to 2 raised to alpha minus 2 raised to alpha minus 1, that is E1, because 2 raised to alpha is E1, 2 raised to alpha minus 1 is also E1. If n has at least one odd prime factor, if n has at least one odd prime factor, then phi of n equal to, by the above property, n into production p divisible by n 1 minus 1 by p, that is by using theorem 4. Okay, that equal to n into production p divisible by n p minus 1 by p, that equal to n by production p divisible by n p into production p divisible by n p minus n. Okay, since at least p minus 1 is E1, at least p minus 1 is E1, then phi of n is E1. At least p minus 1 is E1, then phi minus n is E1. If n has r distinct odd prime factors, n has r distinct odd prime factors, this is the n. n has r distinct odd prime factors, then each factor contribute a factor of 2. Each factor contribute a factor of 2. n has r distinct odd prime factors, then each factor contribute a factor of 2, because here p minus 1, if 5 is a factor, then 5 minus 1 that equal to 4 equal to 2 square. Okay, 2 square, that means n by 5 is a prime, production p divisible by n 4. We know that 4 equal to 2 square. Similar manner, each factor contribute a factor to this product. That means 2 raised to r divisible by phi of n. This is the proof. Okay.